Today we're going to answer an important question. Does size matter?
Yes.
Emotional damage.
Anyway, we're going to compare a 26mm point to a 42mm point, see what the differences are, see how they fly, and answer the question, is bigger better? Let's get into it. We're going to use a number 6 short K-Flex on the darts every time, so there's a fair test there. Also, if you've not clicked follow, do it now. Go on, do it. I'll wait, hang on. Cool, thank you. So first up, the 26mm points. Now, it's not really about the score, it's just about how they fly and how they land in the board. See, the thing is here, because they only land ever so slightly in the board, it's quite easy for them to potentially fall out, which is not ideal. Obviously, most of the point does go in the board as well, because they're quite short. So grouping can be more difficult, because when you've got a barrel that's thicker, for them to land together, there's less room in the bed. This is why someone like Luke Littler uses really long points, because he's using more room in the treble 20 bed to hit 180s. Anyway, next length. Right, 42mm points. Yeah, now these are far more varied in how they fly, unless you're really, really good, I find. So someone like Luke Littler, it's fine, but me, who's not particularly good, I'm noticing that they go up a lot more when I'm throwing. So I throw and they do deviate up, or you'll see them wobble side to side as they're throwing. However, like I said with the short ones, because they're longer, there is much more room in them. So you get a lot more room in the treble 20 bed or in whatever bed they're going to land in. So there's more space in there for them to land. So if you can throw them that bit harder, which means they'll be more accurate, you could get more 180s with these than you would with the others, because the barrels are going to be less close together and they won't block up the area as much. So for higher scoring, you can see why someone like Luke Littler would use a longer point, because obviously he loves hitting 180s and 170s and such. So, but it varies because you get less control with them. So there we go, pros and cons of both. More control with the shorter ones, more room to hit big scores with the bigger ones, but maybe slightly less control. But it's up to you at the end of the day. What's your personal preference? Let me know down in the comments. Drop a follow, drop a like, all that good stuff. And I will catch you in the next one.